Hello students, today we are going to learn assignment 1 tenses. It is revision exercise. So let us revise some of the tenses that you have learned so far. You have learned in your earlier classes. Simple past tense. This tense is used to describe an action which occurred in the past. For example, I learned French last year. Jenny arrived late for the lesson. The underlined verbs are in simple past tense. Now second one, past progressive tense. This tense is used to describe an action going on at some point in the past when another action took place, or just to show an action which was going on at some time in the past. Example, they were playing chess in the club. So they is plural. Were playing, where is helping verb. So when the subject is plural, we have to use were in past progressive tense. And playing ing form you will have. Helping verb plus ing form. They were playing chess in the club. I got sick when I was driving to Pune. Here I is singular, so you are using there was as helping verb. Drive is verb, and we are using here ing form, which shows continuous tense. So it is past progressive tense or past continuous tense. Now third one, past perfect tense. It is used to describe an action which stands completed before a certain moment in the past, which had been already completed at a certain time in the past. I had met. So as a helping verb, what we use here? Had. In perfect tense. Past perfect tense, what we use? Had. I had met. Met. The verb which is in past tense. I had met him some years before in Nagpur. He had interviewed me for a post in his office. So had refers past perfect tense. Had interviewed. The underlined verbs are in the past perfect tense. It is also used when two incidents have happened in the past. The earlier incident is put in the past perfect tense and the later incident is put in the simple past tense. These two tenses can occur together. For example, the train had left before we reached the station. Had left is past perfect tense. Before we reached. Reached is what? It is simple past. So both can occur at the same time. She told me that Gopal had left the class. Told is what? It is simple past tense. And had left, it refers the past perfect tense. So in this way, the two tenses can be put up together. The underlined verbs are in the past perfect tense. So had left, it refers to what? Past perfect tense. Now we are going to solve the exercise given below here. Start the exercise 1 here. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph with the simple past tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. So in bracket they have given verbs. We have to change it into simple past tense and write it down. Jenny got up early in the morning. She brushed her teeth and washed her face. She drank a cup of coffee and ate some biscuits. She felt happy. Then she went to her reading room and started doing her lessons. When it was 10, she took her school bag and left for the school. Soon she reached the school. So next one, exercise 2. Fill in the blanks using the verbs given in the bracket in past progressive tense. You have to use in past progressive tense. Verbs are given in the bracket. We have to use in past progressive tense. We have to use here was or were plus present participle. So was we use for singular, were we use for plural, and present participle means we have to use in ing form there. The children is plural. The children were playing in the garden. She is singular. She was gathering flowers under the tree. We is plural again. We were sitting in the park when it began to rain. My mother, singular again. My mother was preparing dinner when I got home. They, plural, we have to use were here. They were watching television when we called on them. Now let us start the third exercise here. Fill in the blanks using the verbs given in the bracket in the past perfect tense. Had plus past participle. She told me that She had visited Mumbai several times before. Second one, I got to the bus stop just 5 minutes after the last bus had left. Third one, when we arrived home, we saw that someone had broken open the door. He was sure that he had seen me before. Fifth one, I thought it was my servant who had stolen the money. So let us start the assignment 2 now. Simple present tense, we are having separate assignment for it. Now we will learn present progressive tense. We use this tense to describe an action which goes on at the time of speaking. So at the time of speaking, the action goes on. Look, the boys are playing cricket on the ground. Nandu is doing his lessons now. We can observe here, boys. Boys is what? Plural. So we use are here. Nandu. Nandu is singular. We use here is. Are plus verb and ing form. Are playing. Is plus do is verb plus ing form. Is doing. The underlined verbs are in present progressive tense. We also use this tense to describe an action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking but during a certain period. For example, my father is working in a factory. My father is singular, so we use here is. Working in a factory. I am reading Hamlet. So I, whenever I is there, we use am here. For present progressive tense, I am reading Hamlet. The underlined verbs are in present progressive tense. Now we are going to learn about present perfect tense. The tense is used to show the completion of an activity in the immediate past. The action has been completed in the immediate past. It describes a past action which stands completed just now or a little while ago. Just now or a little while ago the action has been completed. I have spoken to him about it. He has made the same mistake again. For I and you, these are exception. So we use here, for them we use have. And for plural also we use have. For singular we use has. I have spoken to him about it. Second example, he has made the same mistake again. For singular we use has. For plural we use. Now let us start the exercise here. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks using the verb given in the bracket in the present progressive tense. Am, is, are plus present participle. Am is used for I, is used for singular, are is used for plural plus present participle. It should be in ing form. First one, listen. The telephone is ringing. Telephone is singular. We are using here is ringing. He is doing very well in his business. My friends is plural, so we have to use here are. My friends are teasing me now. She is singular, so we are using here is. She is writing a letter to her brother now. We is plural, so we are using here we are beginning to understand English grammar now. So exercise 2, fill in the blanks using the verb given in the bracket in present perfect tense. For present perfect tense, we use has or have plus past participle. Have we use for plural. For I and you, it is exception, we use have here for them. Has we use for singular plus past participle we have to use here. He has borrowed money to buy a house. Now second one, students, I have completed my homework just now. Third one, the clock has struck 9 just now. I think I have lost my car keys. My sister has gone back to Kolkata.